Good morning, it's me. Just watching coal trucks going down the roadway. But I came down to Pop Spring and I heard my chickens squawking. I've got a couple of young hens, excuse me, that are starting to lay eggs, so I would probably be squawking too if I had to pass one of those. The heart rooster is doing a lot better. He's back to being able to crow the way that he used to. At one point, it was like he had to learn to start all over again. But it's chilly here, so I can't really put him outside. He doesn't have a lot of feathers, and he's silky, so I thought about maybe laying down some newspapers on the porch and putting some fresh straw in there, and I have a small cage that I can put him in, but it's just so cold. I don't want to make things worse on him. He has lost some weight, but he's doing really good. His digestive system is coming back good. Everything looks normal there, so it's just basically waiting to see how this is going to heal up underneath his wings, and hopefully he gets some feathers back. But I don't think I'll have to let this rooster try free ranging again. This is what's happening here. Guess I'm gonna go down to the chicken coop, let my chickens out. Hope everyone's having a blessed day, staying warm, being thankful. Bye for now.